Integrating Zendesk into your website enables seamless communication between your customers and support team, enhancing the overall customer experience. Here's how to integrate Zendesk into your website. Access Zendesk dashboard. Log into your Zendesk account and access the admin dashboard. Generate embed code. In the admin dashboard, navigate to the channel section and select widget. Customize the widget settings to match your website's branding and functionality requirements. Generate the embed code. Copy embed code. Copy the generated embed code provided by Zendesk. Insert embed code. Access the HTML code of your website where you want to place the Zendesk widget. Paste the copied embed code into the appropriate section of your website's code. Test integration. Save the changes to your website's code and preview your website to ensure that the Zendesk widget is displaying correctly and functioning as expected. Customize widget settings. Return to the Zendesk admin dashboard to further customize the widget settings, such as chat availability, ticket submission options, and appearance. Monitor and manage interactions. Once the integration is complete, monitor and manage customer interactions through Zendesk's dashboard, including chat messages, support tickets, and knowledge base inquiries.